Hi, it's Paul from KUMA. Our KUMA Connect works anywhere there's a mobile phone signal. We take the 3G or 4G mobile phone signal, we convert it to Wi-Fi, and then you can share it with up to 32 devices. If it's a weak mobile phone signal, we'll capture it with one of our antennas, we'll boost it, and then you can still share it with 32 different devices at the same time. Setup is in seconds. There's no software or anything to configure. Just insert a SIM card and connect any Wi-Fi device, laptop, phone, webcam, smart TV, Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, up to 32 things at the same time. The SSID and the password are on the label. It's really easy. It's got 150 megabit download speed. It's perfect for downloading and streaming HD videos. There are 4 different options. The Lite has got 4 antennas built on, 2 for Wi-Fi and 2 for 4G. It's got wall, cabinet, desk mount, anywhere you want. If it's got a reasonable signal in your area, this is all you need to capture and share a 4G data connection. If you need an external antenna, we've got 3 very different solutions for you. They've all got great amplification, but just different mountings to suit every situation. The stick antenna sticks to any surface, but it's of course designed for windows, plastic or glass, that kind of thing. It's only got one cable, so simply remove one of the Lite 4G antennas, connect the stick, and your signal will improve. Leave the remaining Lite antenna on for even better reception. The Play antenna has a suction cup that can be attached to the base or the rear of the antenna. Then you can play around with it and choose where to put it to get the best position and download speed in your particular situation. We also include a sticky 3M pad, so when you've found the perfect spot, you can permanently attach the antenna if you want to. The Pro antenna requires a hole to be drilled and to be mounted, but once it's fitted, it uses the roof to reflect some of the signal into the low profile antenna. It's really simple to install with an adhesive 3M backing pad as well. And it's almost invisible once it's fitted due to its low profile. The Pro antenna can also be fitted to a pole if required. It doesn't have to be bolted onto a roof. Whichever of these 4 options you choose, the main functions and the absolute simplicity of the main light never change. All you do is improve the speed and the range if you need to by adding an antenna. The Connect range is great for boats, caravans, motorhomes, RVs, glamping, restaurants, bars, inside-outside catering, market traders, ice cream vans, digital nomads, van lifers, students and landlords, rural buildings, garden offices, if you're a farmer with the stock you need to watch in a barn, anyone who needs solid two-way internet connections. It's got a strong, robust metal case, an industry standard chipset, and it works on 240 mains AC and 12 volt DC. In the past, we've been asked by some customers, well, can't I just tether my phone? Of course you can, but you can't tether lots of devices. You can't get external antennas for your phone. You have to keep turning tethering on and off, and it will kill your phone battery pretty quickly. Also, if you leave your caravan or your boat, etc., to pop to the bar, lounge around the pool, or pop to the toilet, your family's internet's going to go off instantly, so good luck explaining that to them. Compare that with the very small investment in a KUMA Connect with a 2-year warranty. Add a very small £20 per month for an unlimited SIM, unlimited data, no contract these days. Smarty, Vodafone, 3, EE, they're all doing contract free, and the data price is only getting cheaper. If you compare the running cost of this with everything else you pay for on holiday, the cost of freeing up your phone and getting permanent internet in your vehicle, so all your devices, your cameras, your remote heating, everything you need is online permanently the minute you walk in the door, exactly the same as when you're at home. Works when you're on the move as well. If the vehicle's moving around, as you move around from phone towers, it seamlessly jumps and the data won't be going off. If you're moving home, moving into a new house, don't wait for BT or Virgin to book you an appointment for wired internet. Just get a Connect and the unlimited data SIM that works best in your area. Choose the aerial you need if you need an aerial, and you've instantly got access to Netflix, Prime Video, Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, everything you need instantly the day you move into your house. If you're techie and you want to configure some parts of the equipment, we do have DMZ, port mapping, VPNs, L2TP, blacklisting, whitelisting, wireless LANs, etc., just like a home router. If you're not techie at all, put your SIM card in the slot, power it up and go online. You don't even need a little metal pin. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee and KUMA's exclusive 2-year warranty. The Connect range from KUMA.